Good morning to all. Good morning to all. Am I audible?
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Yes, good morning.
Shall I start the class? Next, we will discuss Module 3. Under numerical integration. First, what is d square y by dx square d cube y by dx cube, etc. So these are all called derivatives of the function y is equal to y of x. Okay, na? And this derivative is called first order. This derivative second order. This derivative third order. For example, y is equal to e power x. Okay, na? So what is dy by dx? E power x. Okay, na? But in this module 3, we have to discuss numerical differentiation and integration. Numerical differentiation and integration. So this derivative is without any data. Without any data, we calculated the derivative y x values and y values. X values x0, x1, so on, xn. Y values y0, y1, so on, yn. So using this data, we have to calculate the derivatives of the function. What are the derivatives? First order derivative, second order derivative, third order derivative. You know. So for finding the known function or well-known function. Sorry, known function or unknown function. This function is unknown function. This function is unknown function. So for this unknown function, we have to find its second order, third order using the given data. Using the given data. So for this derivatives, we have to use the numerical differentiation concepts. Similarly, we have to find the integration of y using the given data, where y is equal to f of x is an unknown function. You know. So what are the formula we have to apply for the derivatives of the derivatives of unknown function for the given data? So we have to use Newton's forward difference formula. Newton's forward difference formula and Newton's backward difference formula. We have to use Newton's forward difference formula and Newton's backward difference formula. So using these two formulae, we have to derive a formula. We have to derive a formula dy by dx at x is equal to x naught and dy by dx at x is equal to xn. Okay, x is equal to x naught. X is equal to x naught means what is x naught? Starting point or ending point of x naught. Starting point. For this starting point, we have to use which formula? Newton's forward difference formula. So using Newton's forward difference formula, we have to find a formula for the derivative dy by dx, next d square y by dx square, next d cube y by dx cube, etc. Next, at x is equal to xn. What is xn? Nearest to starting point, ending point. Ending point. For ending point, we have to use which formula? Newton's backward difference formula. So using Newton's backward difference formula, we have to derive a formula for the derivatives dy by dx, d square y by dx square, dqy by dx cube, etc. So using Newton's forward difference and using Newton's backward difference, we have to derive the formulas for the derivatives of the function. Derivatives of the function. So the required value is nearest to starting point. We have to use Newton's forward difference. The required value is nearest to ending point. We have to use Newton's backward difference formula. So what is the application of numerical differentiation? What is the application of numerical differentiation? We have to find the derivatives of an unknown function y is equal to f of x using the given data. The data contains both x values and y values. X values and y values. So this is application of numerical differentiation. First write down numerical differentiation. First concept, numerical differentiation. Ishita, please admit.
Okay, sir.
Numerical differentiation. So using numerical differentiation, differentiation concept, we have to find the derivatives of an unknown function y is equal to f of x. That is, what are the derivatives? Dy by dx, d square y by dx square, dqy by dx cube, etc. Using the numerical differentiation concept, we have to find the derivatives of an unknown function y is equal to f of x using the data, using the given data. So what is the data? It contains both x and y values. X values, y values. X values are x0, x1, x2, so on, xn. Corresponding y values are y0, y1, y2, so on, yn. Formula for the derivatives. First one, first formula for derivatives. Formula for derivatives. First one, derivatives using Newton's forward difference formula. formula. If the given data is, let the given data is y values x0, x1, x2, so on, xn. Corresponding y values are y0, y1, y2, so on, yn. We have Newton's forward difference formula is what is Newton's forward difference formula? Y is equal to Newton's forward difference formula. Y is equal to y0 plus p by 1 factorial into delta y0 p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial delta square y0 p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 by 3 factorial delta q y0 p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 into p minus 3 by 4 factorial into delta power 4 y0 plus 1. Simplify the factors terms. So y is equal to y0 plus p into delta y0 plus p into p minus 1. That is p square minus p by 2 factorial, that is 2 delta square y0. P into p minus 1 into p minus 2. What is p minus 1 into p minus 2? P square minus 3p plus 2. So p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 is equal to p into p square minus 3p plus 2. That is p cube minus 3p square plus 2p by 3 factorial. What is 3 factorial? It is 6 delta cube y0. And p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 into p minus 3. P minus 1 into p minus 2 into p minus 3. First p square minus 3p plus 2 into p minus 3. And that is p cube minus 3p square minus 3p square plus 9p plus 2p minus 6. So p cube minus 6p square plus 11p minus 6. Multiply both sides with p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 into p minus 3 is equal to p into p cube minus 6p square plus 11p minus 6. That is p power 4 minus 6p cube plus 11p square minus 6p by 4 factorial, that is 24 delta power 4 y0 plus 1.
Can you show the previous slide one?
Just a minute.
Okay.
Okay. P x minus x0 by h. From this, what is dp by dx? Tell me dB by dx. Here both x naught and h are constants. X naught and so d by dx of x minus x naught by h. So d by dx of split the partition into two parts, x by h minus x naught by h. So dp by dx is equal to d by dx of x by h, 1 by h x naught by h is also constant. What is the derivative of constant? 0. So dp by dx is equal to 1 by h. Differentiate 1 with respect to p on both sides. With respect to p on both sides. Then we get dy by dp is equal to d by dp by 2 into delta square y naught. Next term p cube minus 3p square plus 2p. P cube p power 4 minus 6p cube plus 11p square minus 6p by 24 into delta power 4 y naught plus 1. Differentiate each term in that series. First, d by dp of y naught. What is y naught? Variable or constant term? Variable or constant of y naught. Y forward difference table. Okay, na? So first term is 0 na? Next, d by dp of p delta y naught. D by dx of x is 1. D by dp of p, what is second term? Delta y naught. Next, d by dp of p square minus p, derivative of p square, 2p minus 1 by 2 into delta square y naught. Next, differentiation of p cube minus 3p square plus 2p with respect to p. 3p square minus 6p plus 2 by 6 delta cube y naught. Next, p power 4 minus 6p cube plus 11p square minus 6p. 4p cube minus 18p square plus 22p y naught plus 1. So dy by dp is equal to, first term is delta y naught, second term 2p minus 1 by 2 into delta square y naught. So delta cube y naught. Next term 4p cube minus 18p square plus 22p minus 6 by 24 into delta power 4 y naught plus 1. By definition, dy by dv into dp by dx. Is it clear? Dy by dp into dp by dx. What is dp by dx? dp by dx. 1 by
1 by h, sir.
1 by h into equal to 1 by h into dy by dp, that is delta y naught plus 2p minus 1 by 2 into delta square y naught plus 3p square minus 6p plus 2 by 6 into delta q y naught plus 4p cube minus 18p square plus 22p minus 6 by 24 into delta power 4 y naught plus 1. So this is the first derivative, first order derivative. Point at any point. So now I have to find the derivative of this function dy by dx at x is equal to x naught. At x is equal to x naught. Okay? So at x is equal to x naught, find out p value. P is equal to therefore dy by dx at x is equal to x naught is equal to, put p is equal to 0. So 1 by h into delta y naught, p is equal to 0. P is equal to 0. What is the second term? Delta q y naught by 3. Next term, delta power 4 y naught by 4. What is the next term? Any idea?
Delta power 5 I naught by 5.
Very good. So this is the formula for the first order derivative. Naught or nearest to x naught. Nearest to x naught. Similarly, I am writing directly second order derivative d square y by dx square at x is equal to x naught is equal to 1 by 1 by h square into delta square y naught minus delta q y naught plus 11 by 12 into delta power 4 y naught minus 5 by 6 into delta power 5 y naught plus 1. Second order derivative at the nearest point x naught is 1 by h square into delta square y naught minus delta q y naught plus 11 by 12 delta power 4 y naught minus 5 by 6 delta power 5 y naught 4. And the third order derivative dqy by dx cube x is equal to x naught is equal to 1 by h cube into delta q y naught minus d by 2 delta power 4 y naught plus 1. So these are the three derivatives of so we can also derive these formulae using the relation between shift operator and forward difference operator. Shift operator and forward difference operator. Now what is the relation between forward difference operator delta? And E is equal to relation between shift and differentiation operators. D. E and D. E is equal to e power 1 plus delta is equal to e power hd. So hd is equal to log of 1 plus delta. So d is equal to 1 by h into log of 1 plus delta. So dy is equal to 1 by h into log of 1 plus delta of y. We know that log of 1 plus x is equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 plus x power 5 is equal to delta minus delta square by 2 plus delta cube by 3 minus delta power 4 by 4 plus 1. So log of 1 plus delta of y is equal to this by 3 minus delta power 4 y naught by 4 plus 1. So multiply both sides with 1 by h into log of 1 plus delta into y is equal to 1 by h into delta y naught minus delta square y naught by 2 plus so on. So dy by dp is equal to first term del ym, second term 2p plus 1 by 2 del square ym, next term 3p square plus 6p plus 2 by 6 del cube ym plus so on. Therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by dp into dp by dx. So 1 by h into dy by dp. That implies dy by dx is equal to 1 by h into dy by dp. So del yn plus 2p plus 1 by 2 into del square yn plus 3p square plus 6p plus 2 by 6 del q yn plus so on. At p is equal to, sorry, at the point x is equal to xn. At the point x is equal to xn. Ending point, nearest to ending point. What is p value? Xn minus xn by h. So p is equal to 0. Therefore, dy by dx at x is equal to xn is equal to, so 1 by h into first term del yn, second term del square yn by 2, third term del cube yn by 3, next term del power 4 yn by 4 plus 1. So in the previous formula, what are the coefficients for the forward differences? What are the coefficients of forward differences? Dy by dx at x is equal to x naught. In that formula, what are the coefficients of forward differences? First one, next to minus 1 by 2, next to 1 by 3, next to minus 1 by 4. Alternative sign. Okay, in this formula, what are the coefficients here? 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, etc. So in the forward difference formula for dy by dx at x is equal to x naught, the coefficients are having alternative signs, plus minus so on. But in this backward difference formula for the first order derivative, all the signs of the coefficients are positive only. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. So coefficients are same and their signs are different. Similarly, madam, d square y by dx square at x is equal to xn is equal to, what is the formula? 1 by h square into first term del square yn plus del cube yn plus 11 by 12 into del power 4 yn. What is the next term? Coefficient sum of 1, 1, 11 by 12. What is the next coefficient? 5 by 6, 5 by 6, del power 5 yn plus. and dqy by dx cube x is equal to xn is equal to 1 by h cube into del cube yn plus 3 by 2 del power 4 yn plus 1. So we can also derive these formulas using the relations. Is equal to E inverse, and E inverse is equal to e power minus hd. So that implies 1 minus del is equal to e power minus hd. So minus hd is equal to log of 1 minus del. So d is equal to minus 1 by h into log of 1 minus del. So we know that log of 1 minus x is equal to alternative signs x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 plus 1. Same expansion having alternative coefficients, alternative sign coefficients. It implies log of 1 minus del is equal to del minus del square by 2 plus del cube by 3 minus del power 4 by 4 plus 1. So minus 1 by h into log of 1 minus del is equal to 1 by h into this is minus. What is log of 1 plus x? Log of 1 plus x. Replace x by minus x. Replace x by minus x. Log of 1 minus x is equal to minus x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4. So all the signs are negative. So these signs are also negative. So minus 1 by h into minus del square by 2 minus del cube by 3 minus del power 4 by 4 minus 1. So minus 1 by h to log of 1 minus del, nothing but d. So So d is equal to 1 by h into, multiply each term with minus. So get del plus del square by 2 plus del cube by 3 plus del power 4 by 4 plus 1. So dy is equal to 1 by h into del y plus del square y by 2 plus del cube y by 3 plus del power 4 y by 4 plus 1. So dy means dy by dx. So dy by dx at a point x is equal to xn. So 1 by h into del yn plus del square yn by 2 plus del cube yn by 3 plus del power 4 yn by 4 plus 1. If x is equal to xn, what is y value? Y is equal to yn. Y is equal to yn. First one, find the first and second order derivatives of a function. Okay, function tabulated below. At the point x is equal to 1.5. X values, y values. X values are 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4. Y values 3.375, 7.0, 13.625, 24.0, 38.875, 59.0. X is equal to 1.5, nearest to starting point and nearest to ending point. Nearest to starting point, okay na? The given data is X values, Y values, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 3.375, 7, 13.625, 24, 38.875, 59. Construct the forward difference table. X values, Y values, delta Y, delta square Y, delta cube Y, delta power 4y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. 6 points means up to delta power 5. X values 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4. Y values 3.375, 7, 13.625, 24, 38.875, 59. First order forward differences 3.625, 6.625, 10.375, 14.875, 20.125. Second order 3, 3.75, 4.5, 5.25. Next 0.75, 0.75, 0.75, 0, 0, 0. From this is delta y naught, delta square y naught, delta q y naught, delta power 4 y naught, delta power 5 y naught, and this is y naught. Write the formula. You know that dy by dx, x is equal to x naught is equal to 1 by h into, or the formula delta y naught minus delta square y naught by 2 plus delta q y naught by 3 minus delta power 4 y naught by 4 plus delta power 5 y naught by 5 minus so on. Here what is h value? Interval of differencing 0.5. So dy by dx, x is equal to 1.5. So 1 by 0.5 into delta y naught value 3.625 minus delta square y naught 3 by 2, 0.75 minus 0 plus 0. So dy by dx at x is equal to 1.5 is equal to, to simplify, 3.625 minus 1.5 plus 0.25. So we get the answer is 4.75. This is the first order derivative, 4.75. And d square y by dx square, x is equal to x naught is equal to 1 by h square into, at the formula, delta square y naught minus delta q y naught plus 11 by 12 into delta power 4 y naught minus 5 by 6 into delta power 5 y naught plus 1. So d square y by dx square, x is equal to 1.5 is equal to 1 by 0.5 whole square into delta square y naught 3, delta q y naught 0.75. Next term 0, next term 0. So 1 by 0.25 into 3 minus 0.75. So 2.25 by 0.25. That is 9. Therefore, second order derivative d square y by dx square at a point x is equal to 1.5 is 9. the nearest point, we have to use the formula at a point x is equal to x naught. Nearest to starting point. Nearest to ending point, we have to use the formula for x is equal to xn. Thank you, one and all. I'm closing the session.